the Vito comes in handy. I suggest get the wheels one. The wheels one. Not the one with the wheels, but the wheels one. That's the one you want, the wheels one.
Almost there.
So this is where we're working at. Have to change this thing. At least it's outside for fresh air and not inside the boiler room. We gotta change that
Change
piece.
the emergency switch.
Alright, first thing we gotta do is turn off the boilers. Right now they're running. We should wait until it makes temperature and then turn it off. Let's see, where's it at? The heat pumps ain't running, so it should be running. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's just get it out the way. Now we can start this.